Hello everyone, it's Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So today I'm beginning in the announcements page, looking over the upcoming week as we finish up on the infographic assignments that are due on Sunday, I believe. If you're working on that, there are a few really good examples in the Google Drive folder. So take a look at some of the work the class has put together. It really is turning out much better than I thought in the way of an assignment. Some people are using a variety of software programs, either PictoChart or Venngage, but there are some excellent examples there. So moving on, next week we are transitioning into the proposal assignment in chapter 13. So once again, you do have another chapter quiz due by the end of the week, and I want to remind everybody about chapter quizzes. They are significant points. Some people are keeping up, some people are falling behind. Those quizzes will remain open for a while, and I will provide notice to everyone. I'll let you know when they're going to close up, and so I can prepare for final grading. Now, on the assignment 6, the proposal assignment, we do have a draft and peer review in this particular assignment. If you recall, in the moving around the points, the peer review report plus the 2 peer reviews is worth 30 points. So I want to remind everyone of that. So the drive instructions I'll cover in a minute along with the assignment, but this is a linked assignment, so it ties to assignment number 7, which is the formal report. So let me make my way into the course units. If we look in chapter 13, which is the proposal chapter and the assignment here, I will cover the specifics of the assignment in this week's lecture video when I talk about the proposal in chapter 13. But just a couple of notes here to point out here once again is the Google Drive instructions. Much like they were for the jobs package, create a folder, put your document in there for this assignment. It'll be the proposal assignment, along with the peer review report that will be for this assignment too, to work on peer review. And then I've created this separate assignment once again, like the jobs package, where you're uploading the link to your peer report and the 2 peer reviews and the text box. Remember, a successful submission is worth the 30 points. Now here is the proposal assignment number 6. So you have to take your time in looking this over, and I once again will cover this in detail in the lecture video. You're going to write a proposal, an internal proposal. All right. Now, a proposal, once again, is to argue for a problem and a solution. There are 2 topics here. One is a fitness center. I think you have to read assignment number 7 in a formal report in the next unit to get some background on that. Also, in this formal report, we have something called a jobs position formal report, where you get a chance to explore and discuss and look into the a potential job position. I've got some examples here in the proposal assignment. The structure of the proposal and the length of it. Proposal is worth 50 points for the final draft. So once again, I will cover this in a little bit more detail when I discuss the PowerPoint. As usual with all the units, the chapter 13 PowerPoint is uploaded here to take a look at. We have a couple of examples of the proposal. And just to take you into the next course unit, this would be chapter 11, unit 8. Here is all the information about the formal report. So you may want to take a few minutes looking this formal report over, because once again, your proposal is the proposal that's going to lead into the formal report. They must be on the same topic. One leads into the next. What you're doing is you're identifying a problem and you're coming up with solutions, and then the report is the support for your solutions, all about your particular problem you've located in a proposal argument there. So this is what's happening over the next 2 units. Proposal, then a formal report. Then we get into the e-portfolio, and if my memory serves me correctly, we should be just about right up to the end of the semester. So take a look at the course folder, the drive folder. I've already have the assignment 6 folder here created. I will upload during the week the peer review report, much like what we used in class over the course of the semester and also in the previous jobs package peer review process. All right, so that'll be in there by the middle of the week, about when I post the lecture video. And once again, here is the infographic, or just some excellent examples of an infographic here. So if you're confused, please take the time to look at what your classmates have accomplished and how they handle this assignment. And I think it'll answer a lot of questions for you. I do not have an example of the infographic. This is the very first time I've used this assignment in the workplace writing course. So take a look at what your classmates have uploaded. You can't go wrong there. All right. So once again, look for the lecture video in the middle of the week. Stay safe and good luck. And if you need to reach me, always via email.